wabarakatuh, the honorable judges and teachers. My name is Rama Alia Farhani.
And my name is Fariduda Fakrudin. We are from Al-Azhar 26 Junior High School. We will present our research about
Development of deep learning object detection on CCTV for physical distancing violation detector in the era of new normal.
the World Health Organization on 11 March 2020 declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. The Worldometer report shown that the cases is still increasing, both for global case or Indonesia case.
Since the virus is still remain in our environment, all activities must be done on the health protocols. The new pattern of life is called as new normal. Physical distancing must be implemented everywhere, but there was still a large crowd. The government has established regulation that prohibit on crowd gathering. To find out the crowd, we don't have to see directly. We can find out via live CCTV of Yogyakarta.
The objective of the research are knowing the program work to detect the number of physical distancing violation in Malioboro, Yogyakarta. This research will use domains of technology that are artificial intelligence and deep learning. Deep learning is a technique that uses a method to speed up the learning process. The application developed by Rosberg uses an OpenCV and deep learning object detection to detect crowds from a recording of CCTV.
The study area is Malioboro, special region of Yogyakarta. The data processed in this study were CCTV footage in front of Malioboro Mall, recorded on 12 until 19 July 2020 at 6 until 7 a.m. and 4 until 5 p.m. The tool used in this data processing is computer Dell Intel Core i7 with Python installed. Anaconda environment also used in this research to build the Python environment. The physical distancing violation detector algorithm that used in this research is developed by Rosberg. The deep learning model that used in this algorithm is YOLOCOCO dataset. This dataset were obtained from the Office of Communication and Information or Kominfo.DIY.
In this study, OpenCV, deep learning, and computer vision are used to detect the crowds in front of Malioboro Mall. This program starts with insert a picture or video, then detect objects in the form of people. The program calculates the distance passed between the center point of both objects and check the distance matrix for people. If the distance is less than 2 meters, it will be detected as a marked violation in red. It can be seen that each detected person will be marked with a detection box. The red bounding box marks that they make crowds. Green squares mark people who comply with rules. The social distancing violation text is information about the amount of physical distancing violation that detected from CCTV. It is seen from first figure. There are 3 people who violate physical distancing are marked in red, and 2 people who obey are marked in green. This is the example of output process.
The graph shows the number of physical distancing violation. It can be seen that in the morning the most violation case was occurred on July 18, 2020. There were 64 violations. Meanwhile, in the evening, the most violation occurred on July 19, 2020, as many as 144 violations. On July 19, 2020, there were most violation cases because the date was weekend. The graph above shows the rate of physical distancing violation in front of Mall Malioboro. It can be seen that the number of violations every day tends to fluctuate. The conclusions are deep learning object detection and OpenCV can be used to detect the physical distancing violation in front of Mall Malioboro special region of Yogyakarta. The rate of physical distancing violation in front of Mall Malioboro on 14 July until 19 July 2020 are 1.31, 1.87, 1.97, 0.71, and 2.13. The number of violations decreased on 17 July, but increased on 18 and 19 July 2020.
The future works that can be continued from this research are: continue the data processing process to gain full 1 week data of physical distancing violation case. Develop real-time screening for physical distancing violation detector. Add information about total number or rate of violation per hour. Develop system that can give a report when the maximum number of violation occurs. Develop system that can give a report when the minimum number of violation occurs. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.